Hello everyone, Trader Avi from Trading, the YouTube channel focusing exclusively on binary option trading. Today I will show you a strategy based on the Vortex and Schaff trend cycle indicator. Before please and let me kindly ask you to like the video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming content. Thanks for all. I am trading at PocketOption. You can find the platform and link in the description as usual. Let's get to the strategy of the current video. I choose the Vortex and Schaff trend cycle indicator. I go to the settings of the Schaff trend cycle indicator and just set it to 2 pixel. I go to Vortex settings, select period 7 and select 2 pixel. Now I go look for a good moment to trade and get guaranteed trades. Let me explain to you why I got my trades here. You must focus well. If we see the Vortex indicator, we have a crossover, and we go to see the candles inside the red box. We see that the candles have tails, but to confirm that the market will go depends on the strength of the candle, and also when you get the trade, you must make sure that the market is falling, not fake. Get your trade after 3 red candles and don't forget the Schaff trend cycle indicator below. This is also a good sign. Trades closed successfully. Let me search for another market in the same strategy. I will explain here as well. We can see that my trades were taken after confirming that the market is heading downward, and that we have strong bearish candles that do not have retracements, but they have strength in declining the price by closing a full candle. And the Vortex indicator, we have an intersection, and the Schaff trend cycle indicator is down, so they all help me to take trades correct. Trades closed successfully. That's great. Let's look for the last trades of the day and explain. In this market, I will get my last trades for the day. If we see before on the candles, we have retracement candles that have tails from below, and buying is stronger than selling, and the market will go up. And if we see on the Vortex indicator, we have a crossover and the Schaff trend cycle indicator at the top. The trades closed successfully. These are the last trades for the day. I will not take risks and trade a lot. This is enough for today. Anyone who trades should be content with making a daily profit, because that trading all day exposes you to loss. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press like on the video. Thanks for watching.